Think about this. You're all set to close and finally move into your new home. But your mortgage company comes back and says that you're in a flood zone, so you can't have the loan without flood insurance, an extra expense that you weren't budgeting for. Or worse, you didn't have flood insurance, water gets in after a storm, and nothing in your home was covered. That happens all the time, and that's why mortgage lenders will require flood insurance in high-risk flood areas. But being outside of those high-risk zones doesn't mean that you can't flood. In fact, lots of flood claims actually come from lower-risk areas. Now, you can get flood insurance through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program. It's also offered by private companies. FEMA's coverage usually tops out at $250,000 for the building and $100,000 for belongings. If your home is worth more, or if you want extra benefits, think things like temporary housing covered as part of the policy, then private insurance might be better in those situations. And so what should you do? First, check FEMA's free flood zone map. Then ask your seller if the property has ever flooded, and then get insurance quotes as soon as possible. Do that both for FEMA and private, so there aren't any surprises. The goal here isn't to scare you, it's to prepare you. A little homework up front can save you later. If you've got any questions about that, then leave them in the comments, and don't forget to like and follow for more real estate tips.